Is Darwin's prediction becoming a reality? How parental habits are remembered by their children, the secret of exosomes. Darwin, known for his theory of evolution, once proposed a fascinating theory called pangenesis. This grand hypothesis suggested that every cell in the body releases informational particles called gemmules, which are then inherited by offspring, passing on the parents' experiences. What was once considered fantasy is now, after more than 150 years, on the verge of becoming reality through the lens of modern science. Today, we'll explore what could be called a modern-day pangenesis, a mechanism of another genetic code separate from our genes, all based on the latest scientific reviews. The informational particles Darwin imagined, the gemmules. It is now believed their true identity might be incredibly tiny, invisible capsules called exosomes. In response to our daily experiences like diet, exercise, and stress, the cells in our body produce informational molecules like blueprints, known as RNA. Among these, molecules called non-coding RNA act as switches that regulate DNA expression. This RNA is then packed into exosomes and delivered throughout the entire body via the bloodstream and other fluids. This is strikingly similar to Darwin's idea of information being gathered from cells all over the body. And most astonishingly, these exosomes deliver information from the parent's body directly to reproductive cells, such as sperm and eggs. One study reported that when mice changed their diet, the exosomes created in their bodies delivered RNA to their sperm, which in turn affected the metabolic functions of their children. In other words, information from the parents' life experiences was carried by exosomes to influence the very blueprint of the next generation. A concept dismissed as pure imagination in Darwin's era, when DNA and RNA were still unknown, has now gained credibility through modern science. This brings a new perspective to health management, including the way we think about nutrition. It suggests that a parent's poor dietary habits, excessive stress, or even positive exercise routines are not confined to their own health. Through exosomes, these factors could influence their children's physical makeup and risk for future diseases. For the sake of our future families, it seems more crucial than ever to cherish a balanced diet, moderate exercise, quality sleep, and time spent in tranquility. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. For those who want to learn more, please search for the Robustness newsletter.